Okay, Nantians, ladies and gentlemen, Trailblazers, welcome to the Trailblazers Ladder. So I have created a series that we're going to go through from time to time. And as I just mentioned, this is the kind of stuff that changes lives. This is legacy empowering stuff. So for those of us that's going to really focus on this, it is absolutely life-changing. It's all I'm going to say. So the Trailblazers Ladder, this is session 1 of 20. So there's 20 of these sessions in the Trailblazers Ladder that we will be going through from time to time. So grow your identity while you build an income. Business never grows beyond the person building it. I'm going to say that again. The business never grows beyond the person that is building it. So I'd like to ask you a question. Who are you becoming? Not how much you're earning, not what your rank is, not how many people is in your team, because none of these things determine your future. Now, that doesn't make sense, but it does. You can have somebody that's got 5,000 people in their team, but they don't know what to do. They're not at a level where they can help and lead these people, and then it doesn't matter. So the person you are becoming determines every one of those outcomes. Most people join a business hoping it will change their life, and very few understand that the business first changes them. Before Nantex builds an income, it builds character. Before it builds your organization, it builds your leadership. Before it builds your wealth, it builds your identity. And that's why this first session is called Identity Before Income. So a couple of points. Number one, income always chases identity. Money is a strange thing. People spend years chasing money. Successful people spend years becoming the type of person money naturally flows to. Think about it. If somebody suddenly handed R1 million to somebody with a poor financial habit, how long do you think it will last? Not very long. I've spoken about this before. Statistically, I think it's like 99 point what% of people that's ever won lotteries are worse off than when they started. So it's not because they're unlucky, but it's because their identity has not yet grown large enough to sustain that level. Income rises, income falls, but identity remains. Eventually, income always returns to the level of the person producing it. This is very scary, exciting stuff. Stop asking. Instead of asking, how do I become diamond? Here's a better question. What does a diamond become? There's a massive difference. Most people chase titles. Leaders chase transformation. Diamonds don't simply have larger teams. They think different. They make decisions differently. They handle rejection differently. They communicate differently, and they show up differently. A rank is simply evidence of who they have become. Every decision costs a vote. Your identity isn't built once. It's built thousands of times over time. Every single day, every invitation, every follow-up, every Zoom, every book, every difficult conversation, every decision says, this is who I am becoming. Success is rarely one giant decision. It is hundreds of tiny decisions made constantly. Point number 4, your team copies your identity. Now, I've added this. This might be one of the biggest leadership lessons you will ever learn. And if this hasn't been taught to you, now it is. Your team does not duplicate your instructions. They duplicate your habits. If you arrive late, your team arrives late. If you skip training, your team skips training. If you stop inviting, your team stops inviting. If you complain, complaints multiply. But if you remain calm, confidence spreads. If you remain disciplined, discipline spreads. If you keep showing up, momentum spreads. People become what they continually observe. Leadership is always louder than words. Point number 5. Are you building, you are building more than a business, especially when it comes to Ananta X. Our philosophy is different. Our ecosystem is unique. Our reward system is unmatched. This is not normal. Most people think they're building an organization. You're not. You're building people, building families, you're building confidence, you're building belief, you're building hope, and you're building dreams. Your organization is simply the visible result of invisible leadership. That means every conversation matters, every encouragement matters, and every example matters. Somebody is watching you, and they are deciding whether they believe they can succeed. Power. And number 6, the mirror test. Every morning ask yourself, not what must I do today? Ask yourself, what kind of leader or trailblazer does my future organization need me to become today? The answer changes everything. Maybe today you need more patience, maybe courage, maybe consistency, maybe forgiveness, maybe resilience, maybe discipline. Because organizations never outgrow their leader. Identity compounds. This is where people underestimate leadership. One better decision today seems insignificant. One extra follow-up seems insignificant. One extra book, one extra invitation, one extra training, one extra encouragement may be small, but until you repeat it over and over and over and keep on repeating it over and over, identity compounds exactly like wealth. Tiny improvements will give you massive outcomes. Ananta X opportunity, one of the greatest gifts Ananta X offers is not the rewards, it's not the recognition, it's not even the growth. It is the opportunity to become somebody capable of leading thousands of people. Your business is the classroom. Leadership is the lesson. And legacy is graduation. So kind of in closing, imagine standing at the bottom of a mountain. You can see the summit. You can see it. You can see the top. You know exactly where you need to go. Then the mountain asks only one question. Have you become the person capable of standing at the top? The mountain doesn't care how badly you want it. It responds only to who you become while you're climbing. Diamond works the same way. Diamond is not waiting for you. Diamond is waiting for the leader you are becoming. So here's a challenge. So tonight, don't ask yourself, how many members do I need? How many members do I have? How many is on the Zoom? How many is whatever? Doesn't matter. Ask yourself, who are you becoming? So that people will naturally start following you. Because the greatest builders in Ananta X never chase success. We pursue growth, personal growth, and success will follow. Here's a declaration. I'm a firm believer of self-talk. Firm. Yeah, it's very easy. A lot of people are going on diets and all this kind of stuff. Here's the fact. You are what you eat. I don't care that I've seen it because I kind of look for it. You are what you eat. I mean, through my years in the pharmaceutical industry, one of the big things is everybody wants to lose weight, and then they use this thing and that powder and this tablets and that diet and that this and then that. And eventually you find some of them that is just lost and they look incredible. And then I love to ask them this question: what did you change? And then the real answer comes: no, I've changed my lifestyle. So you are what you eat. You become what you say. Now, that's also a biblical principle. You become what you say. So yes, I'm calling it the Trailblazers Declaration. It says, I will build my business as I build myself. Because here's the thing. People are trained, study first, then work. This is grow as you go. That's why I said, it says there's a double I. I will build my business as I build myself. I will not chase income before I develop the character to sustain it. I choose discipline over successes, growth over comfort, leadership over popularity, legacy over recognition. Every conversation, every invitation, every challenge, every decision shapes the leader that I am becoming. I will become the person my future team deserves, because my identity will always determine my impact. I am not just building an organization. I am building legacy because I am an Nantes Trailblazer. So this is one of 20. And between this, we'll do some other stuff as well. So the video's out there, Monday Night Zooms. I want to quickly, for those that's here, I want to do another one, another recording after this, and then we'll open up the floor. Anyway, Growth Room is where we change.